session is record keeping. This record keeping is the start and include your business one component, and I would like to welcome all participants in the training. Uh, Before starting the training, we have to know each other very well. So I am going to give my introduction myself, and you have to give your introductions yourself. So namaste and good morning again.
Namaste.
I am Deepak Shasankar. I am the presenter of this session. So I am going to facilitate this session today. So we will be talk briefly in the training. So please introduce yourself.
My name is Ram Shah.
Namaste, my name is Manoj Kargi.
Namaste, my name is Bednaz Jha.
नमस्ते राजकुमार शाह
Namaste, my name is Sanjay Kumar Yadav.
नमस्ते म अनुज राउत
Prakash Nagar.
Thank you for your introductions. And before starting the training, we have some rules to follow during the session. So please keep your mobile silence or switch off. No side talks. Raise your hand if you have any problems or query. No one is allowed to go outside if in case urgent during the session. And today we have the topics. The topic is benefit of record keeping and the importance of the business record. Before talking about the benefit and importance, we have to understand the objective of the session. Objective of the sessions are to know what is record keeping, to explain the benefit of the record keepings, to know the importance of the business records. These are the objectives of the sessions. And before we are talking about the business benefits and importance, we have to know what is the record keeping. What do you mean by call the record keeping? I have written some meaning of the record keeping. Like record keeping is the way of systematically putting all the information and carry out activities of every day from beginning to end of the transactions of the any activities. All activities which done in the one day, we have to record all systematically is called the record keeping. What record keeping covers that if somebody doing the business, he receives something, he may receive the cash, products, materials, anything, business payouts, business sold on credit, agreement between business and other parties, and so on. These are the activities which carried out in the business and that should be taken into our computers, our files is called the business record. It's a record which happen in our business. Like if you sell something, then we have to keep the records. How many products we have sold in the day. Every day we have to keep what records. What we keep? We keep the records. If you sell, if you purchase, if you give in the credit, if you make a contract agreement with anyone, then we have to do the contract, write the everything. Do you understand what is the records? Do you understand the business record? In the business, what we record in our file, in our books, is called notes is called the business record. So, if we are doing the business record in our business, then what will get the benefit from it? Do it give the benefit to us? Do the business gives the benefit? So what may be the benefit of this record keeping? So can you tell somebody what will be the benefit?
We can find any things for just suppose that materials and everything.
What will get the benefit if you keep if you keep the records, then what will be the benefit? Is it okay just for record, or it will give anything benefit, like we can check out our customers' name, how many customers came into our business in the day or in a month, how many customers came, how many we
दिनभरिको महिनाभरिको खरिद बिक्री र ग्राहकहरूको पहिचान गर्न सकिन्छ
okay.
We know easily purchase and sales.
We can know the sales, how many products we sold in a day, how many things we purchased in a day. Do get away profit or loss from the? How can we find out profit or loss? We have to check out what? Records. Records from what? Sales and purchase and our other expenses. So we have to record all the things to get to know the
Profit and loss.
profit. So here are some benefits of the record keeping, like help you to control your cash. If you have only, suppose if you have only $1,000 in your hand, and if you don't know, if you don't have, if you have not recorded in your book, then how can you know how much money I have? If I am trying to purchase 1100, then is it possible? Not possible. You can understand, you can know, control your cash, show you others how your business is performing, help you your control costs. It also help to control your costs, help you for your future, identify your regular customers, help to market segment, as we have already discussed in past sessions, help to expand your business timely, support you to take right step at the right time. So these are the some benefits of the record keeping which are written in there, but there are lots of benefits which are not written here. You can find during your business time. If you record your business transactions, business activities, you can get lots of benefit. You will never be in any problems. You can, if there is a problems, then you can control, you can manage your problems, you can solve your problems immediately by keeping the records. So, is that okay? Do you understand what is the benefit of record keeping?
Yes.
Yes, all of you understand? Okay. Then, if you have understand the benefit, then what may be the records? What may be the business records in your business? Like there may be the cash transactions in your business. There may be the details of records which you have given the credit. You have given the product on credit. Your product or service you have given on credit is called your debtors. Similarly, there may be the records of creditors, sales, costs, bank transaction, agreement with different suppliers and customers, salary records. You may have given the salary to your staff. There may be the detailed cost records, inventory records, loan records, tax payable records, etc. These are the things which happen in your business with occurring in transactions you have done in your business records. So these are the examples of records. What kind of records you have to do in your business? You have to. These are the records. These are the transactions you can record in your business. So these are the examples. I hope that you all have understand the benefit of the business record and the record keeping, what is record keeping, and the transactions in your business. All of you have understand?
Yes.
All of you understand? So
Yes.
yes. Then can we go to the another part of this session? Can we go? Okay. Then our another session is why business record is important. Why it is important in our record keeping is why important in our business. Why it is important?
There are many importance in business.
Okay. Because business transaction gives our business record gives lots of information about the business. So this is very important to us. Similarly, then go to the importance of business. Go to the importance of the business. Then how much money does your business receive? What is the business? Business provide the information of how much money do you have, how much money does your business receive? In one day, how much money do you have received in your business? So you can find out your business receipts. That may be cash, that may be receipt, may be the cash, that may be raw materials, that may be any kind of agreement, that may be any kind of services you have received in your business in one day, in a month, in a year. So similarly, how much money does your business pay out? How much has been sold on credit? How much does your business owe others? How value of the equipment that you business buys? The money you invest in your business, agreement between your business and its supplies and your customers. And it provides the information of category target groups. It supports for identify the productivity. It helps to calculate the gross profit and loss. It helps to prepare the balance sheet. It helps to calculate the tax payable. It helps to control the overhead expenses. So these are the many benefits of the record, business record, which we can find out. So I would like to request you to please read one or two among out of it.
Just read only.
One or two, anything.
Just read only.
Yes, just read only.
The money you invest in your business and its support for the identify the productivity.
The money you invest in your business, and another is
Its support for the identify the
productivity. What does it mean? How, the money you invest in your business means how much money you have invested in your business. You can find this information from where? From the business record. If you have recorded properly about the investment, your investment in your business, then you can easily find what you can find this investment amount, how much money I have invested in my business, so that the business record is, please sit down, so that the business record is very important. Similarly, please can you read this one among this one?
How much money does your business receive?
Okay. How much money does your business receive? So, you can also receive the money from the loan, money from your business sold. So, these are the benefits which has given by the business record. So, these are the things we can easily get from the business record. So, we have. Do you understand? So, does it very important to take the records, to take the business record? Does it important to take the records? Is it necessary? Yes. Yes, it is necessary. So, it helps us to understand many things about our business. So, we can also sort out our many problems from this record. So, do you have any query in the session? Do you have, or do you get all okay? Okay, then Thank you for your passion and helping me and giving this time. So I hope that you have understand many things from this session. It is also helpful for your own business. So see you another session. Thank you very much.